6G could add $1.2 trillion to India's GDP by 2035. India has officially fired the first signal in the global 6G race. The Department of Telecommunications, DOT, just announced the setup of 100 dedicated 5G labs across India, not to improve speed tests, but to lay the foundation for the 6G revolution. And it's coming. These labs will act as innovation hubs across universities, startups, and research institutions, powering experiments in Open RAN, indigenous chipsets, AI-driven networks, and advanced optical communication systems, thereby making India a global telecom innovator. The government's Bharat 6G Alliance, a collaborative platform of industry, academia, and global research bodies, has already signed 10 international MOUs, including with the Next G Alliance, United States, 6G IA, Europe, 6G Flagship, Finland, 6G Forum, South Korea, and the European Space Agency. The goal is quite clear: 10% of global 6G patents by 2030. According to DOT Secretary Dr. Neeraj Mittal, India's vision is multi-pronged: research, domestic manufacturing, and deep academia industry collaboration, all working towards a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And it's not just the labs. Over 100 research and development projects on 6G are already being funded through the Telecom Technology Development Fund, which is the TTDF. This is worth 310 crore rupees, focused on everything from terahertz testbeds to AI-based network sensing. Think of 5G as the expressway. Here is the analogy. 6G is the autonomous city built on top of it, where machines, drones, robots, and humans talk to each other in, wait for it, microseconds. Where 5G connects people, 6G will connect intelligence. And at the heart of it all, artificial intelligence. AI will make networks self-healing, adaptive, and predictive, optimizing themselves in real time. It's actually how networks will sense, decide, and act faster than human response time. And this isn't just another Indian story. Across the world, Nvidia and Nokia have joined forces to pioneer the AI platform for 6G, marking America's return to telecom leadership. We covered this extensively here on Front Page as well. Please make sure that you check it out if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, the question is why? Anyway, coming back. They're building AI RAN, a revolutionary network architecture that merges computing, connectivity, and intelligence into one. And Nvidia is bringing its aerial RAN computer, the ARC Pro, a 6G ready accelerated platform, while Nokia is embedding it into its global RAN portfolio with Dell's PowerEdge servers powering the infrastructure. T-Mobile United States will begin trials in 2026, running AI native networks that can process data, manage edge inference, and serve the world's growing agentic AI and AR/VR traffic. As Jensen Huang puts it, telecommunications is the digital nervous system of the economy. Built on AI, AI RAN will actually revolutionize telecom and make it a generational platform shift, end quote. And this actually matters for India because the next phase of telecom leadership is about who builds smarter AI native networks that can actually sense, compute, and communicate all simultaneously. So by establishing these 100 5G labs, what is India trying to do? It is actually trying to future-proof its telecom stack to integrate seamlessly into this global shift where 6G becomes the fabric for AI. From IIIT, Bangalore's Technology Innovation Hub, working on reconfigurable intelligent surfaces and massive MIMO, to CSIR and IISc pushing advanced chip research and development, to DOT's 100 labs preparing a 6G ready workforce, the ecosystem, as you can see, is converging very fast. And with 80 plus member organizations in the Bharat 6G Alliance, including 30 plus startups, India's telecom roadmap is now fully indigenous, IP driven, and most importantly, globally networked. 6G is now a strategic infrastructure. It is actually as important as semiconductors, energy, and AI compute. So, by developing its own 6G stack, India ensures data sovereignty, secure communication, and exportable telecom technology. Most importantly, it's actually a statement that the country that built the cheapest data revolution now wants to build the smartest networks on the planet. The economic stakes are massive. 6G could add $1.2 trillion to India's GDP by 2035. Whopping number. This is no longer a catch up game. India is officially on the front line of the 6G revolution with 100 labs, 10% patent ambition, and AI at the core of its networks. As Telecom Secretary Neeraj Mittal said, and he said this: the journey looks difficult and the goal impossible. But if we make the journey worthwhile, the goal becomes achievable. Well said, sir. End quote. The question to leave you with is this: is India building the world's next telecom powerhouse or rewriting the playbook of the 6G age? You know what to do. Please let us know what you think in the comments below.